Richard. Go, Mommy. It's hungry. Richard's hungry. It's hungry. It's hungry.
I'm sure.
Let's go lunch.
He wants lunch?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Can you give him back to his mommy now?
It's in the up there. See? Okay, Richard. Ha! It's by me.
He bit you?
Yeah. Oops. No, Richard. No. Look at by me. Look at you. Look at feet. See feet? Look at Richard.